So cold, but the carrots are beautiful, Rabby.
Quickly now, there are still many rows.
My snowman has the longest nose ever. Just don't use up all the carrots.
This much stock is enough for the whole week.
Thanks to Barry, it's so much faster.
A warm fire is the secret to getting through winter.
Rabby's cocoa smells so good. Gently, don't let it overflow. Oh, one jar overflowed. Hope we get our first customer.
The smell of fresh yogurt is sure to be appealing.
We can't even put out more.
All sold out, that's great.
Hope we find good seeds.
The adventure begins now.
These seeds are very precious.
Let's take them all back.
We've planted them all. Now let's wait for a miracle.
Grow fast, little seeds.
Wow.
Whoa!
That fast? It's time to harvest.
We've harvested a lot. We'll have plenty to eat this winter.
Bye. Thank you very much.
The new scarf is almost ready.
That was fast. Only one left.
Our hard work really paid off.
Always so busy.
But happy that everything is peaceful.
The warehouse has enough for 3 more days.
Finished writing. Perfect.
The heat lamp is stable.
This way, the plants will be safer.
The pigs are so happy today.
A clean pen makes them healthy right away.
Here are the nails. Be careful with your hands.
Yeah, it's done. Very sturdy. This firewood is enough for 3 nights.
Perfect. Let's take it to the storage.
It smells so good.
We'll eat it soon to warm up.
Warm from the inside out.
The best morning meal.
The purple plums look amazing.
Pick them quickly before the heavy snow.
Half sold already, Barry.
As crowded as the yogurt last time.
Bee, do I look better now?
So neat and cute, too. This scarf will surely sell well.
Exactly. Everyone loves warm red.
This will make plants healthier for winter.
This bed is done. Bessie really loves dry hay.
She looks so comfortable. Evenly spaced like a ruler.
So it looks better next season. Work's done. I feel much lighter.
Let's go warm up. It's too cold.
My hands are freezing cold. Drink tea to warm up.
The wind is strong. Lock it securely.
The lamp is lit. Rest assured.
More eggs than yesterday. The healthy chickens lay consistently.
Be careful not to shake it. Don't worry, I'm holding it steady. 37 eggs.
Enough to bake tomorrow.
It's colder than usual tonight. Add more firewood to be safe.
The guest house is warm now.
Guests will be more comfortable staying here.
Cover carefully so they don't freeze.
Right, so they won't rust by morning.
So we don't get lost when snow covers it.
The sign is secure. Wind won't blow it away.
Bee! I'm less cold now.
We take such good care of you.
So we don't mix them up next season.
Good seeds make stronger plants.
This thread is incredibly strong.
Let's weave a new scarf sample tomorrow.
Keep sweeping to prevent ice buildup.
The path is clean now. This bag is still full. Good. Enough until the weekend.
It was a busy but fun day.
Let's rest a bit, then continue tomorrow.
It's morning. Time to work.
I slept so well last night. The cart is clean, easier to pull.
Let's go check the garden.
The carrots are still very healthy.
Thanks to the straw layer keeping them warm. I wonder what animal it is.
Probably just a wild rabbit.
Hey, don't push me. They're as playful as you are. Tied securely. No more spills.
The shed is warmer now, too.
Be careful. It's very slippery.
Yes, I'm holding on tight. The trough is clean now. Bessie loves that. Let's add this morning's chicken eggs to the cake.
It's gonna smell amazing.
Is it done yet?
Is it done yet?
Just a little bit more.
Absolutely delicious.
Absolutely delicious.
Our hard work paid off.
Isn't this new scarf design beautiful?
Yes, lovely. Perfect for today's cold weather.
The towels are very warm, sir/madam. Another one just sold.
Enough for the next 2 days.
Good, no worries about cold nights. Another day done. What will we do tomorrow? The air this morning is so clear.
It's cold but pleasant.
The roof is still very sturdy. I've finished clearing this section.
These apples are so juicy.
Placing them at the front of the counter will surely attract customers.
Apples freshly picked this morning. Thank you for your support. This dish will surely sell well.
Let's try the first batch and see.
It's drying so fast.
The cold wind is useful.
This bed is still very healthy.
You've sewn them so evenly.
Bee! I feel comfortable now.
Good boy/girl, drink some water. Bessie really loves having her neck scratched.
She's truly adorable.
A clean path makes it easier to move around.
This snow pile is huge.
This rope can still be used.
Put it on the top shelf. These potatoes are wonderfully tender and delicious.
Let me try a piece. It's terribly warm sitting here.
Just take a quick rest, okay?
Enough for tonight, too.
Great, no worries about the cold. This dinner is absolutely wonderful. Let's eat, everyone.
Let's eat, everyone.
Wake up, little friends.
Here's your morning grain. This spot is very slippery, easy to fall.
Let's put up a sign so everyone knows. They're all so evenly red.
This harvest will surely be delicious.
The sauce is getting thick now.
Get ready to pour it into the bottles.
They look so appealing, they'll surely sell quickly.
They truly are lovely to look at.
100% hand-made. Thanks for your support.
Eee, so soft. Looks better, right?
This bin is full now. Writing it down so we don't mix them up later. So we'll have more next season.
Water gently so they don't get cold shock.
The sun's nice. They'll dry quickly.
Let's hurry before it gets dark.
More than I thought.
It's for winter storage, after all.
Isn't this pattern beautiful? Yes, it looks so warm.
Another one sold.
The star scarves are so popular.
Bessie is very healthy.
So well behaved.
Another day ends. After eating, we'll sleep soundly.
The snow's even thicker than yesterday.
We need to clear it early to be on time.
Finished shoveling this section. I'll dump it right here.
The roof is heavy. Let's tap some snow off.
The door is secure. No wind getting in.
So many eggs.
Thanks to the warm coop.
Shall we make a fresh batch of cakes?
Yes, it's the perfect time.
The aroma is spreading to the whole house.
Can we eat it yet?
So incredibly soft.
The new recipe is a success. The new scarf will be so beautiful.
This yarn feels so soft. Thank you.
We always take care of you.
Enough to last for a long time.
Dry wood catches fire easily.
This sack is still very full.
I'm done writing it down.
This branch is still healthy.
Good. Next season will be beautiful.
It's very sweet. Please try some.
Today's price is reduced. She's so adorable. Bessie really loves being brushed.
We got so much done today.
There's still lots to do tomorrow. It's freezing this morning.
Let's clear a little snow first. It's good now. The roots are warm.
The moisture hasn't decreased much at all.
Bessie is so well behaved.
Let's give her warm water later.
These apples are incredibly sweet.
A super warm breakfast. Eat well to have enough strength.
I'm getting strong right away.
How about a leaf pattern?
Good idea. It looks warm too. Wow, so beautiful.
This scarf is woven just for you.
Cleaning this way means it won't be as slippery tomorrow.
The cart is almost full. Arranging it this way makes it so easy to see.
Right, no need to search for long. The tomato sauce is delicious, sir and madam.
Thank you for your purchase.
This branch is rotten. Cut it early to prevent it from breaking.
It looks brand new.
Preparing for tomorrow's work.
Your legs aren't cold, are they?
Drink up, Bessie. It's delicious. This scarf is so beautiful.
Let's take it to the stall right away.
A day passes so quickly.
Let's have a warm meal tonight.
It's not as cold as yesterday, huh?
Let's go check the garden. The plants are still healthy.
The soil is warmer than I thought. Bee! Smells so good.
Eat up to warm your tummy.
Bessie, let's go get some exercise.
She looks so happy.
This sunshine is so precious.
Let's dry them quickly before the clouds roll in.
It's really delicious.
This will warm us up for lunch. It's hot, but so good.
I'm eating so fast.
This leaf scarf is so pretty. It looks perfect for winter.
The new design is very popular.
We're selling fast today.
So many fresh eggs.
The chickens are so happy.
Enough for the whole week.
Good, no worries about running out.
These branches will smell good when burned.
The basket is full.
The wind is so strong.
Lock it securely for safety.
Dinner tonight will be delicious again.
Ready to eat as soon as it's done. We accomplished a lot today.
After eating, rest up and be healthy. It's so cold.
Let's work quickly to warm up.
This frame needs to be tightened.
I'll tie it more securely.
Drink up, Bessie. It's hot and delicious.
She's perfectly healthy.
Whoa! That slip made my heart jump.
Walk carefully.
Instantly warm.
You need to drink this before going outside.
This will last for several days.
Let me write it down to be sure.
Woven just for you. Bee, so warm. To keep the tree healthy for next season.
This branch is better cut early.
Warm enough for winter.
This pattern is so pretty. Another one sold.
New design, so soft.
Too much snow, easy to get lost. Let me draw more marks. Lots of eggs today.
So incredibly cute.
This firewood burns beautifully.
The basket is full.
Time to eat.
So delicious. Every day is so much fun.
Tomorrow, let's try a little harder.
It's so cold today.
Warm up a bit before going out.
It's safer now.
No more fear of slipping.
Eat a lot to be strong.
Bee, so tasty. This is the last one for today.
It's just as beautiful as the others.
Sales are good today.
Thank you for visiting.
Rest assured for next season.
Trees are fine, tolerating cold well.
Extremely warm and satisfying.
The onion porridge smells amazing.
A long day is almost over. Huh.
Fun from morning till night.
It's warmest by the fire.
Time to get ready for bed.
A long but wonderful day.
Tomorrow is a new adventure.